Guys, welcome back to the 7th video in the 10 days of Halloween series. I am gonna go right into the tutorial and I'm gonna create an anime girl today. So using my primer, I'm just gonna go ahead and nude out my brows as well as prime my eyes. Then I'm gonna go ahead and start to prime my face, getting ready for my foundation. My inspiration for this look today was these purple contacts. They are huge and remind me of an anime girl, so that's the look I'm going for. I'm just going to go ahead and apply foundation, and then I'm going to go ahead and blend it out with my beauty sponge. Once all of that is blended out, I'm just going to go ahead and highlight my face. So I'm going to put a little bit on my chin, tip of my nose, and a little bit under my eye. I'm not using as much as I usually do. I'm trying to stay directly under the eye. And then I'm going to go ahead and blend all of that out with my sponge. I'm trying to give myself more of an appearance of a round face rather than a longer face like I have. So I am trying to stay towards the middle of my face. After I'm done blending this all out, I'm just going to go ahead and set all the concealer with the loose setting powder, and then I'm going to set the rest of my foundation with pressed powder. I'm also going to put the powder on my eyelid as well. I only have primer on here right now, but I just want to set all of that primer to make sure it doesn't crease, and I am going to use a nude shadow on top of this later. But moving right on, I am going to jump into eyebrows using the black is this black? This might be brown. The brown eyebrow felt tip pen. I'm just gonna go ahead and create the eyebrow shape that I like. For most anime characters, their eyebrows are pretty much straight and kind of like down. They don't really have an arch. So I wanted to do mine kind of up a little bit. I didn't want them to just go straight across. I think it would look weird on my face. But I'm just gonna create the shape that I like, and then once I have it how I like, I'm gonna go ahead and repeat it on the other side, and then set the brows with powder because I wanted to lighten them. Moving on to contour, I'm going to go ahead and contour a lot on the top of my forehead and my chin area as well. If you put the contour in these areas, it will shorten your face. So like I said, I'm going for an appearance of a more round face. So I'm really putting the contour on these areas to try to round my face out. And even when I do the contouring on my cheek, I'm doing it a little bit different. Instead of starting up by my ear like I usually do, I'm starting from the middle of my cheek, and then I'm just slowly blending it out. This is going to give the appearance of a more rounder cheek. It's not a miracle worker, but it is going to do something. And then after I get my cheeks how I like, I'm going to go ahead and move on to my nose contour. I do start up by my eyebrow, blend it out, and then slowly start to bring it down towards the tip of my nose. Once I have my contour on my nose how I like, I'm trying to go for a thin like nose. I'm just going to go ahead and put the pressed powder on the sides of my nose to try to blend out that contour later. Now that I'm done with my nose, I'm just going to go ahead and dust away all the powder that's on my face. I did mess up my nose a little bit with the powder being gone, but I do replace it later. I'm just going to dust off the powder on my brows as well. Taking a nude shadow, I'm just going to go ahead and throw that all over my lid up to my brow, and then I'm going to move on to eyeliner. Anime girls don't really wear eyeshadow, that's why I skipped it completely. So I'm just going to put my eyeliner in my waterline. It's just a white eyeliner, and I'm going to bring it down just a little bit to make the eyes appear larger than they actually are. Next, I'm going to take black liquid eyeliner. This is just a felt tip pen. I'm just going to go ahead and start creating the wing out. Place a little dot where my hood ends, so I'll be able to connect the two lines there and not go past that point. So I'm just going to connect these and then slowly start to bring it in towards my lid and then drag it back out again. It's going to create a very sort of cat-like eye, but not like way too aggressive. And my anime girls have like a specific type of eyeliner. When you look up anime girl pictures, most of their eyeliner looks like this. Now I'm just going to drag it down underneath that white eyeliner from before, and then just connect the two. Lastly, I'm just going to set all of that white eyeliner with some white eyeshadow to make sure it does not go anywhere, and then I'm going to go ahead and repeat all these steps on the other side. Now that the eyes are done, I'm going to go ahead and apply mascara and my lashes. I did use half lashes and put them towards the ends of my eye. Now I'm just taking some white eyeshadow on a blending brush and I'm just putting it in the inner corners of my eye to make my eye appear even brighter. Alright, now that the eyes are complete, I'm going to go ahead and dust away all that setting powder on my nose that was helping my contour bake and helping blend it out as well, so it's a plus. Now I'm going to move into cheeks. I chose a pink cheek color today, a pink blush. I'm going to go ahead and focus that on the apples of my cheeks and slowly start to blend it out in a circle. I'm not really going up like I usually do with it when I go towards my temple because I love blush. And then I'm going to put some more blush on the tip of my nose as well. You guys already know that I love this look right here with the blush on the nose. It's everything for me. And then I'm going to go ahead and move into lips. For my lips, I chose a pink lipstick. I'm going to go ahead and focus that on the center part of my lips, blot it out a little bit, and then start to rub out the edges with my finger. Once I have my lips how I like, I'm going to go ahead and top it off with a nude gloss. I felt like it definitely needed like some sort of shine on my lips, so I'm going to just put the gloss in the center part of my lips, and then the look is complete. I'm totally feeling this anime girl look. It's the eyes for me. I love them. If you guys like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel out, and please subscribe if you have not. And as always, thank you guys for watching. Bye!